For the true-false review, you're going to be opening up this PowerPoint here, and you're going to be looking at several different statements and deciding if they're true or false. So we're going to pull this up, and this has to do all with the Stone Age. This information will come from your study guide. You could also use your packet if you don't have that study guide done or you don't have the information on your study guide, but you'll be using the study guide plus your vocabulary to complete this. Again, remember to click Edit in Browser. And then when this pulls up, we'll walk through how to complete it. So again, if it's too far away, you can't read it, you can always click View, or you might have to click the arrow if you don't see View up here. Then you click Zoom, and I always do 100, but whatever works for you. So we're going to look here up at the top. So it says, studying artifacts is important to us today so we can make lots of money. So you're going to have to decide, is that true or false? And I'm going to let you know this one is false. So that's not why we study artifacts. So since it's false, we're going to change the bold part. So we're going to change the bold part and make it true. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Insert, click Text Box, and sometimes the text box goes down here, so you have to go find it. Click here, you might scroll back up, bring it back up to the top here. And then we're going to put your answer. I'm not going to give you the answer, but you do know it's false, so you're going to have to put an answer here. So here is where you'll type your answer, and then you'll move on to the next question. If it's true, then when you click Insert Text Box, then you would write true on the line. So remember, you're changing only the bold words. So we'll look at another one that might have just one word. Remember, there's page 2. So we'll look at here at the society one. Society is a relative who lived in the past. So we're going to decide, is that true or false? Well, a relative who lived in the past is not a society, it's an ancestor. So we'd be changing this word. So I would go click my text box, pull it up to my line, and since I'm changing the bold word, I'm going to type in ancestor. If that happens, then you just got to erase it out of there. Ancestor. You don't have to do a complete sentence, just change the bold word. So now it's going to be ancestor is a relative who lived in the past. And you're going to complete that for each of these lines. Again, if it's true, just write true on the line. And then there's 3 pages that you're going to do for that. Once you complete it, you click close, and then here you'll have a turn in button and you'll click that and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, send me an email, send me a message here on Teams or in Remind.